Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This hair is giving me a hard time, but the hair itself is so beautiful. It's just the closure. I personally don't know how to finish by myself, so I'm gonna have to watch more videos on it. But and if you are on YouTube a lot, you already know who she is. This is Gabriela. Gabriela. I got it in a 1B. But I'm thinking I should get it in 2. Because I feel like black hair on me is just so wiggy, you know. So that's the one thing. But other than trying to finesse this freaking closure, which I'm still on, because I know you can see the little demarcation right there, but whatever. I did what I had to do. I think it's cute. I tried it to the side, tried it to the front. I'm gonna get right. And when I get right, I'm gonna get back on here and I'm gonna show y'all for real. So yeah, stay tuned. I did my makeup in this video. What made me mad, I finished my whole face. My freaking brushes came from Wish, so I'm gonna give you a little peek of it. I guess I think this is 32 brushes. Y'all see that? There's so many. But I got it off of Wish. I'm gonna put the price and stuff like that down low. It only took about, I ordered it on Friday. Today is Thursday? Today Thursday or Friday. It didn't take that long to get here, pretty much. Ooh, God bless me. But yeah, stay tuned for the look. I didn't really show how I did the hair. I did that off camera, but I will if y'all want to see it. I'm not tripping, but it ain't much to it. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't feel like it was a need to record it, but yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, you guys. So what's good, you guys? It's been a long time, and I got my nails done yesterday, so I am going to be like throughout the video. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with this primer that I got. This is the best shit I ever bought in my life. Ain't my first time, ain't my second time, it's my third time buying this shit. Face primer and moisturizer. Are you freaking kidding me? For $5-6? Who ain't finna buy it? Who ain't? Let me just put it on. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold, man. It's cold. I'm still trying to figure out the technical stuff with the camera because I don't know how to zoom in. Like, I still don't know how to do that shit. It's giving me a hard time. You know when certain smells just bring you back. This smell like, because I wore this a lot when I stayed in Houston. When I did my makeup often. This smells so familiar. I love that smell. See? Primed and moisturized. I'll put a little bit more on my nose though, because shorty be peeling and shit. So, I know I've been gone for a minute. I am pregnant, so when I'm done, I'm just done, y'all. My iron is low as fuck, and I have to get back right. So, face is primed and moisturized. Then we'll go into foundation, which really is just this concealer foundation. And it's from my local beauty supply store. It's just $3, so yeah, I bought it. What I want to do, because it's kind of thick, is mix it with my press on. And like I said, I'm gonna mix it with my primer because it is thick and I want a smooth surface. So, and this is not a tutorial. This is just my way to finesse my face. Why I be looking the way you be looking, you feel me? So, I this little teeny tiny brush. I'm gonna just use this. To blend everything in. And then go back with my beauty blender and blend it out so it'll look better. See that? Now I look like an egghead. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then come back. Next, I'm gonna take my powder. I like showing you guys stuff, even though, you know, who cares? This is my powder. I use the same teeny little brush. And I just go in. Okay, eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna put a little concealer here, just a little bit, then blend that out. Next, what I do is I take this foundation that's a little darker than my skin tone, and I take this brush, and this is gonna be my contour, or just to get that egg shape away, so I look like an egghead. And it's just real brown, it's nothing crazy. See if I can tell the difference. I'll take a smaller brush. I'll use this one. Take this for my nose and just get all up in there. I don't like to do too much to my nose. Like I said, it be peeling and I don't understand because it be hydrated, but it be peeling. That's it for that part. I put some on my eyelids as well. Next, I'm gonna go with mascara. I hate this mascara, but I'm gonna let that dry, then I'm gonna go to the bottom. Also, I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'll lick mine. So cute as my face. And I just clean up everywhere. Even on my eyelid. Boom. With my lips, I had the hardest time finding like something that's a nude. About 2 different things that look nude but ain't freaking nude. So I'm gonna try and mix them up with something to get the color that I want. The bobby pin, I separated. I get my liquid lipstick, it's a brownish color. And then I just dot it on the thingy. And then dot it on my face. Ooh, I did them too big right there. It's really just your preference, how you want them to look. It's like a lighter hand goes a long way. And that's my favorite. I done watched so many reviews on this wig. It's ridiculous. Oh, it's so beautiful. What I'm gonna do first is I'm going to braid my hair down. See? I can't see. I'm just doing this. So it's like this now. I'm gonna flip it over. Shut it cute boy. I'm scared. I'm gonna just put it on as is and then adjust it if I need to. This is crazy. I look like a boy from Shrek, Lord Farquaad. I'm childish. I'm gonna finesse it and then I'm gonna come back because I don't want y'all looking at me. I don't know, you guys. I tried the middle part. I wasn't feeling it at all. I feel like it looks too wiggy on me. I'm gonna have to like learn how to finesse the closure because I will end up not liking this wig for that matter. So I think I look kind of nice, you know? What do you think? I think it's getting in my eye. That's the only thing I don't like about this side part. I'm trying to get it to look more. I know picture is gonna be bomb because you can finesse in a picture, but for real, in real life, I don't know. I gotta go out with this thing on. I have to do some minor touches on the part. Even, you see, I don't know, guys. Help me. I should have laid my edges. Thanks for watching.